CATC has been certified by Department of Civil Aviation to be the leading provider of complete aircraft repair services in Thailand. We are responsible for the safety of the training airplanes. We do maintenance and repair all the components of our training fixed wings and helicopters. We have earned the trust of many outside agencies with experience, knowledge, and skills of our licensed aircraft engineer. We have earned the trust from Diamond Aircraft Industries to be official maintenance provider for Diamond airplanes. Safety is our first priority. Come to join us, Civil Aviation Training Center.